Hello, my name is Jimmy and today you join me with the 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime. This video, I'm going to show you how this fits in this and a little bit more. So yeah, let's take a look. First, the baby seat in the back seat. All right, as you can see, I already have the seat base in here. Within the RAV4, there are two sets of lower anchors, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. There isn't anchors in the middle, and you can't split the anchors like some other vehicles. However, in the back of all three positions, there are upper anchors, so you can use that where needed. In terms of fitting three across, even if they're just using the seatbelt, it's a little tight. With the rear-facing seat that I have here, I kind of measured it out and just wouldn't be able to fit with the Clek Liing that I have. If you have something that's a little bit thinner, maybe it's possible, something to consider and to look out for. But something I noticed that I have to mention are the doors itself. Being a first-time parent, something that I found in my CR-V that I absolutely love is just how wide the doors open. It opens almost 90 degrees, but the RAV4, it doesn't do that. The Nissan Rogue also does that. The entryway itself, it's just a little bit smaller than you may like. But let's put in that seat in here. In terms of getting the seat actually inside the vehicle, as you can see, super easy. The front seat itself, I didn't have to move that far forward, if at all. It's still very comfortable for my height, 5'11", to be up there. No problems at all. Plenty of headroom, plenty of legroom. It's, well, just a lot easier than the Corolla that we had last week to put this seat inside. Let's take a look at the trunk to see how much space there is for strollers and other stuff that you may carry. In terms of the trunk, 34 cubic feet, so there's plenty of space to throw whatever you want to throw in here. So, as you can see, diaper bag on the side, and let's put the stroller in. There is so much space in here, and of course you can fold those seat backs down, so you're able to accommodate whatever else you want to throw in here. So in terms of a family vehicle, the RAV4, for one, perfect. Two, yeah, I still think it's going to be more than capable. Three is going to be a little tight though, so if you want to have three kids in here, maybe take a look at the Highlander instead. It's just going to be a little bit bigger for you. In any case, thank you so much for watching this video. Like the video if you do, subscribe if you want to see more. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section down below. We'll catch you next time. Take care.